Hey guys, so I've been messing around with interior cleaners still. This is kind of a continuation of, I just did interior cleaner video, and hey guys, welcome. So I'm messing around still with interior cleaners, and I just did a video on a couple other products. Clean by Pan, interior detailer, the IGEA from Labo Cosmetica, and now using a different car. I've just been kind of hanging out here watching YouTube, and TV sitting over there. And I was cleaning this up. I had a bunch of stuff in here. But I really like this Pro Bonnet Plus from Cleantle. I also tried their Interior Pro, and that worked really well, but I didn't like the scent. So unfortunately, especially with interiors, I'm a scent guy. So it wasn't my favorite, but this is only supposed to be for textiles. But I'll be honest, on like these hard surfaces, the rubber, all that stuff, like it's having no problem getting stuff off, and it's not even it's not leaving surfaces shiny or anything like that. Like, so if you look, this is like a regular WeatherTech mat, and like I said, this is for textiles, supposed to be. Probiotics and biosurfactants, cleaning headliners, fabric upholstery, other textile surfaces, including velour and alcantara. Helps remove unpleasant odors, slows down surfaces getting dirty, safe for clean surfaces, ready to use. So anyway, I'm finding like you get a little bit of that, you know, foam action kind of, but check it out. And you just give this a second, it'll actually just go away. It'll be like a flat black color. This is just a little wet. But yeah, I'm really liking this. Obviously on, you know, headliners and stuff like that, I'm sure it's going to do well. I think, let's see. Oh, screw it. Yeah. Yeah, no discoloration. This is a light colored headliner. Yeah, I like this a lot. Interesting. So Mile Deep Refresh has been my kind of favorite interior cleaner for a while, but I use Cleantle's Fabric Clean as a whatchamacallit, a carpet shampoo, and then I use Geist leather products. I like their leather products. But then Mile Deep Refresh is kind of like my Dash and all of that stuff. But I like this. Like I said, I'm surprised. Like, no streaks on the gloss finishes. Dust, no problem. Just hit a seat with it. Nice matte finish. So yeah, it's kind of an off label use for it, but I'm liking this. Cleantle. Cleantle's had some really good products this year they've put out. That's something. Actually, let me try this. So on these B-pillars, you end up with a lot of crap because of people reaching for the seatbelts. Because you grab the seatbelt up here and it switches to gray, like right where my hand is. Yeah, it's like wiping it right off. Oh. Yeah, this is good stuff. See, and I've said it before, I hate cleaning interiors. Freaking hate it. I guess it's because the interiors don't generally get that dirty in my cars. So there isn't like this transformation that happens, you know? It's just, oh yeah, it was a little bit dirty, and now it's, you know, it was 10% dirty, now it's 2% dirty. Like, I don't know. I say that like my cars are dirty, like my exterior of my car is dirty, but it's worse than this. Let me try this. And I actually really like Cleantle's other interior products. Interior Plus is amazing. The Interior QD is good. You know, as somebody who's kind of clean cars, I really want like a quick detailer with a light scent rather than like a really strong cleaner. I just don't need it because I'm not cleaning customer cars, and I don't let my kids eat in the car. I generally don't eat in the car. It's pretty rare that I do. Sometimes I'm super busy and I'll grab something, but even at that, it's rare. So yeah, I like this a lot. So today I tested out Igea from Labo Cosmetica, which I decided not to keep. Cleantle Interior Pro, which I decided not to keep. Both of those I had no problems with performance. I just didn't love the scents. Igea is like a baby, it smells like a, I don't know, like you're changing a diaper. And then the Interior Pro, I didn't really love that. It's like a, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's called Magic Scent. And then this I really liked, and I used a Clean by Pan Interior Quick Detailer. I really like that as well. So 2 I'm keeping, 2 I'm not. And yeah, this car's pretty much cleaned at this point. So I'm just waiting for my jump pack. So when I cleaned out the rear, I have a, so when I was cleaning out the back, I have a jump pack and a inflator back there, 2 separate units. So I just threw them on the charger a little bit, topped them off, because I haven't pulled them out probably a year, maybe longer. I don't know. I've had this car now for 2 years, so have I? Maybe longer. I don't know. I'd have to look and see when I picked this up. I think this has been 2 years. I just had it smogged. So yeah, 2 years, like 2 years and a couple months. So anyway, yeah, so they've been sitting back there for probably a year and a half, and I just pulled them out and adjusted them, or charged them to make sure that they were good and topped off. But yeah, I think I'm gonna pull this out now. We're gonna jog some cars around and move the Mini over, bring her car in, put it in the middle, grab some stuff out of the attic. But anyway, it's probably the only other, I don't know if I'll do another video today. I'm gonna wash her car, but I'm probably gonna do it with Nemesis. Maybe I'll mess around with Pan's spray sealant and his quick detailer. I don't know, we'll see. So anyway, thanks guys, have a great day.